In the heart of the plant kingdom lies a humble leaf, often overlooked, yet possessing the remarkable power to heal and strengthen. This is spinach, a verdant powerhouse of nature, offering a wealth of benefits that have sustained life for millennia. Have you ever considered the profound impact that a single leafy green can have on your well-being? What secrets lie hidden within its emerald depths? Join me now as we embark on a journey to uncover the extraordinary properties of spinach and discover how this simple food can transform your health, enhance your vitality, and unlock a world of potential within you. From bolstering your body's defenses to sharpening your mind, spinach's benefits are as diverse as the ecosystems it thrives in. Prepare to be amazed by the remarkable story of spinach, the green leaf that heals. Spinach, a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, is nature's immune system booster. Vitamins A and C stand out as key defenders, fortifying our natural defenses. Vitamin A strengthens mucous membranes, our first line of defense. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, neutralizes harmful free radicals. With every serving of spinach, you arm your body against invisible threats. Its high vitamin C content can even help combat the common cold. Think of spinach as a natural shield, protecting and balancing your body. Truly, spinach is a testament to nature's power to nurture and heal. Our journey now takes us deep into the intricate network of the human body, to the very core of our being, the heart. Here, spinach reveals itself as a true cardiovascular champion, its rich nutritional profile working tirelessly to maintain the health and vitality of this vital organ. Central to spinach's heart-healthy properties are two key nutrients: potassium and nitrates. Potassium, often referred to as the love mineral, is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Imagine your blood vessels as a vast network of roadways, and potassium as a skilled traffic controller, ensuring a smooth and steady flow of blood throughout your body. By relaxing the walls of blood vessels, potassium helps to reduce strain on the heart, allowing it to pump more efficiently. Nitrates, often misunderstood, play a crucial role in cardiovascular health. Within our bodies, nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a signaling molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. Picture nitric oxide as a skilled plumber, widening the pipes within our circulatory system, allowing blood to flow more freely. This vasodilation not only helps to lower blood pressure, but also improves circulation, delivering oxygen and vital nutrients to every corner of our body. In essence, spinach acts as a natural heart shield, protecting this vital organ from the damaging effects of high blood pressure and poor circulation. With each serving of spinach, you're essentially nourishing your heart, providing it with the tools it needs to thrive. But spinach's benefits extend beyond simply maintaining a healthy heart. Studies have shown that a diet rich in leafy greens like spinach can help to reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular complications. Imagine spinach as a guardian, standing watch over your heart, helping it to beat strong and steady for years to come. Chapter 3. Our exploration of spinach's remarkable properties now leads us to the command center of the human body, the brain. Here, within the intricate network of neurons and synapses, spinach reveals itself as a potent brain booster, enhancing cognitive function and promoting mental clarity. Crucial to spinach's brain-boosting power are its high levels of antioxidants and folate. Antioxidants, those valiant defenders against oxidative stress, play a crucial role in protecting brain cells from damage. Imagine your brain as a complex computer system, and antioxidants as skilled technicians, constantly working to repair damaged circuits and prevent system crashes. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, antioxidants help to keep our brains functioning optimally, preserving memory, focus, and overall cognitive health. Folate, a B vitamin essential for cell growth and development, plays a crucial role in the production of neurotransmitters, those chemical messengers that allow brain cells to communicate with one another. Think of folate as a master communicator, facilitating the smooth exchange of information within the brain. Adequate folate intake is essential for optimal cognitive function, memory formation, and even mood regulation. Studies have shown that a diet rich in folate-rich foods like spinach can lead to improvements in memory, attention span, and overall cognitive performance. Imagine feeling a sense of mental clarity, your thoughts flowing effortlessly, your mind sharp and focused. This is the power of spinach, nourishing your brain from the inside out. But spinach's benefits extend beyond simply boosting brain power. Research suggests that a diet rich in leafy greens may help to protect against age-related cognitive decline, preserving cognitive function well into our later years. Imagine spinach as a guardian of your mind, helping to keep your thoughts sharp, your memory vibrant, and your cognitive abilities thriving for years to come. Chapter 4. Our journey through the world of spinach now takes us on a quest for radiant health, exploring how this leafy green can enhance our outer beauty by nourishing us from within. For it is within spinach's rich nutritional profile that we discover the secrets to vibrant skin, lustrous hair, and a natural, healthy glow. Central to spinach's beauty-boosting properties are its high levels of iron and vitamin E. Iron, often referred to as the energy mineral, is essential for the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body, including to the skin and hair follicles. Imagine iron as a delivery service, ensuring that these vital tissues receive a steady supply of the oxygen they need to thrive. When our skin and hair are properly oxygenated, they radiate a healthy, vibrant glow. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, protects our skin from the damaging effects of free radicals, those environmental aggressors that can lead to premature aging. Think of vitamin E as a shield, deflecting the harmful UV rays and pollution that can damage our skin cells, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin E helps to preserve the skin's natural elasticity, keeping it looking youthful and radiant. But spinach's beauty benefits extend beyond its individual nutrients. The synergistic action of its vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants work together to promote overall skin health, reducing inflammation, improving hydration, and even protecting against certain skin cancers. Imagine spinach as a natural beauty elixir, working from within to enhance your natural radiance and reveal the healthy, glowing complexion that lies beneath. Chapter 5. As we delve deeper into the remarkable world of spinach, we uncover yet another layer of its extraordinary benefits: its ability to act as a natural detoxifier and energy booster. This leafy green, packed with chlorophyll and magnesium, possesses the remarkable ability to cleanse our bodies from within, while simultaneously revitalizing our energy levels and promoting a sense of overall well-being. Chlorophyll, the pigment that gives spinach its vibrant green color, is a potent detoxifier, binding to toxins and heavy metals within the body and promoting their elimination. Imagine chlorophyll as a team of skilled cleaners, meticulously sweeping through your system, removing harmful substances and leaving behind a clean and revitalized internal environment. Magnesium, often referred to as the relaxation mineral, plays a crucial role in energy production within our cells. Think of magnesium as a spark plug, igniting the cellular processes that transform nutrients into usable energy. When our magnesium levels are optimal, we experience a natural, sustained energy boost, free from the jitters and crashes associated with caffeine and sugar. But spinach's detoxifying and energizing properties extend beyond its individual components. The fiber content in spinach aids in digestion and promotes regularity, further supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Imagine spinach as a broom, gently sweeping through your digestive tract, removing waste and promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. The combination of chlorophyll, magnesium, and fiber makes spinach a potent ally in our quest for optimal health and vitality. Incorporating spinach into our daily diets is like giving our bodies a refreshing internal cleanse, while simultaneously providing a natural and sustained energy boost. Imagine feeling lighter, brighter, and more energized, ready to embrace the day with renewed vigor and vitality. This is the power of spinach, a true gift from the garden, supporting our well-being from the inside out. Our journey through the world of spinach has revealed a treasure trove of health benefits. From its immune-boosting vitamins to its heart-healthy minerals, to its remarkable ability to enhance brain function, beautify our skin and hair, and detoxify and energize our bodies. This humble leaf, often relegated to the side of our plates, has proven itself to be a true powerhouse of nutrition, a testament to nature's ability to provide for our well-being. As we conclude our exploration, I encourage you to embrace the power of spinach, incorporate it into your meals. Experiment with new recipes and experience the transformative effects this leafy green can have on your health and vitality. Share your experiences in the comments below and let's inspire each other to harness the power of nature for a healthier, more vibrant life. Remember, the smallest changes can make the biggest difference. Just as a single seed can blossom into a flourishing plant, so too can a single leaf of spinach spark a ripple effect of positive change in your life.